I was wondering if I could come in and take some stuff from you. Who are you? Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to be rude. My name is Megatron. How you get in my house? Okay, I'll tell you, but you gotta promise not to get mad. I took your doorknob off. Get out of my house! I told you not to get mad. Put my damn doorknob back on! Okay, I can see that you're upset, so I'll just go. So have you reconsidered yet? So have you? Leave me alone! I mean, maybe you... Look, I'm asking nicely! Please, go away! He did say it nicely. Hey, what you... Stop! Before you get mad, I just wanted to say, I kind of took more than just your doorknob off, so if you don't mind, can you help me to put your front door back?